back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing this broken shear pin in this Craftsman snowblower. But all these are pretty standard. I bought this 4-pack of shear pins at Menards. They're like $5, but you can probably just find these at Fleet Farm or Tractor Supply or anywhere like that. So purpose of this shear pin is if you hit a rock or whatever, it'll shear the pin instead of shearing your transmission. So what we have left is the inside here is the middle part of this pin is left inside, so we'll take a punch and we'll knock that out. Alright, so here's my punch. If you don't have a punch, you can probably just use a small screwdriver and just line it up. And there it is. There's the broken piece right there. And then take your new one and once again line it up. And it's probably easier to put it in from the back. Just like that. And then it comes with these pins here, and you just put it on just like that, and you're done. Easy as that. And you got a few spares. Alright, thanks for watching.